Hello everyone and welcome to the Crypto Session Brief. We're on Tuesday the 19th of July 2022. Looking across crypto markets today, one of the most obvious bits of price action that's come across my desk is that rejection off the 50-day moving average for Bitcoin. This was something we highlighted yesterday in the brief. We said watch Bitcoin, can it break above firstly the high from earlier on in July, on the 8th of July there. And then secondly, the target will be to get through the 50-day moving average. Maybe we'd see some profit taking there, and that's so far what we have seen with those gains from yesterday somewhat being faded back down. Equity is also turning around. You're seeing the Nasdaq pull a little bit lower yesterday, midway through the US session. Apple reported a potential slowdown in hiring. And that sent a bit of a negative vibe throughout risk assets, I would say, for the rest of the session. And that's continued through to today so far. So move back down into 21,125 could be expected from here for BTC. You are just currently sat on some of the highs that we've seen throughout this range, so around this 21,845 area that we're trading now. So maybe this could be an important level throughout the rest of today's session and in the near term. By the end of the day, if we see a daily close below 21,125, then I'll be targeting a move into 20k over the next few days. Ripple not really affected, continues to put some nice solid higher lows from that low down at 30 cents. You've had a few high lows, 1, 2, 3, potentially a fourth here. So I'm watching for a potential buy from here for a move back up into retest that high and then break higher into 0.3870. Ethereum as well, as you can see. Whilst it has turned around a little bit over the past few hours, as you can see there, we have been spiking much higher. So it's been a really nice run as of late. We've gone from 1,000 to 1,500, so a 50% move to the upside in a little over, well, how long has that been? Since basically last week, just under a week. So on the 19th of July today, that was the 13th that we were 1,000, so a 50% move. So a nice one for whoever caught that one. We did see initial rejection, but we broke higher through there. And now the question is, can they be able to sustain this momentum for moving to 1,700? Litecoin, where we at? 56.67 overhead. You can see a potential double top scenario around that 60 cents handle. So watch it, $60 handle, sorry. Watching that quite closely. If it does reject off there and move back down into that descending trend line, could be on the cards and try and gauge some support, and that probably won't come through all the way back down into $50 handle. And that's it from my end for the crypto brief for today. See you all inside the chat room. Until next time, all the best of your trading and bye for now.